It's almost spring, and it's time to try out the new dock at Lodge of Hope. This easy dock is equipped with a special ramp for kayaks, and today we'll be testing out NUCANOEs.
We're here at Peterson Outdoor Ministries in Lodge of Hope, and we've got a easy dock, universally accessible kayak launch that we just put in, along with a big boat dock and a slip for their pontoon and bass boats. And it allows them to get people of all abilities in and out of the water very easily. It eliminates a lot of the hurdles, and they just poured a concrete access ramp down to it, so that butts right up to the gangway, and it allows wheelchairs to get on and off the dock very easily. So this dock's got an easy dock designed kayak bench that extends out and allows people with limited mobility or challenges to get in and out of their kayaks a lot easier than they would be without. There's handles, there's slide out ramps that allow you to just kind of scoot from your wheelchair onto the kayak without worrying about falling in or falling off or anything. So that bench really makes a big difference when you combine it with the little handrails that are attached to it. You can use there's some aluminum handrails that extend out into the water, and so you just paddle up to it with your paddle, and then you can put your paddle beside you, or you can set it on the dock and then grab onto the handrails and just shoot yourself right up. Or if you're coming up backwards, you can kind of pull yourself onto the dock that way, and once you get that kayak up onto the wheels, it just slides right up, and it's super stable. You're not going to wiggle a whole lot side to side, so it kind of eliminates any of those balance issues if you were trying to get into the kayak while it was still in the water. So it's very safe, very stable.
Jimmy Burgess and his wife Misty brought their fully equipped NUCANOEs, so some of the veterans will get to take a test ride.
Yeah, they're fantastic. They've got trolling motors that slide up, and they demonstrated that you could slide that right up the kayak launch too. They're a little bit heavier, so it might take an extra set of hands, but it's a fantastic system and a fantastic canoe, and it was neat to see those NUCANOEs using that system. It's a little windy, but he was able to do it, so it was neat to see. It's a great little kayak. When you combine the lodge with the dock system and the concrete work and their elevator that they've got here inside the lodge to access the main area upstairs down to the bedrooms below, and then it's all connected with concrete ramps. You can go anywhere, no matter your mobility here at the lodge. So it's a really neat setup they've got.
It was very, very exciting. I'm not a water person by any means, but I was pretty nervous because I have a rare disease where I had no balance, so I was pretty scared about flipping. So I brought extra hair clothes just in case. But I got out there and it was so stable, it was so amazing, and it was very comfortable and it was relaxing. And I haven't had that feeling in a long time, so it was really neat. The dock is wonderful. It's absolutely wonderful and amazing.
Warmer weather isn't that far away, and the dock is ready for action for many years to come. Thanks to the volunteers and NUCANOE for making this adventure possible.